In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play 4-player chess with friends on chess.com. If you've ever wanted to experience the dynamic and strategic fun of chess with not just 2 but 4 players, then this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to chess.com, the go-to platform for playing chess online. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, simply open up your web browser and type in chess.com. This will take you to the main page where you can start your chess adventure. Once you're on the chess.com homepage, direct your attention to the left middle corner of the page where you'll notice the login button. Click on that to begin the process of accessing your account. This will help you save your progress and connect with your friends easily. If you have an existing account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Chess.com also provides alternative login options. If you initially signed up using Google, Apple or Facebook, you can opt to log in using any of these platforms. I personally prefer using my Google account for a quick and seamless login experience. Simply click on the Gmail account associated with chess.com and you're good to go. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start playing. Click on the play button from the main menu to see a variety of card options. Navigate to 4-player and variants. This is where the real fun begins. Click on the 4-player chess option and then proceed to select 4-player chess RG. Once there, you'll find the customize button waiting for you. Customization is crucial for 4-player chess as it allows you to set the game according to your preferences. Click on invite players. Note that this feature is available for casual games only. After hitting the invite players button, you're prompted to agree to a couple of things. Click I agree and then I acknowledge the rules to move forward. Now it's time to invite your friends. Type in the username of the friend you'd like to join you in this exciting match. With the username typed in, hit the invite button. Soon after, you should see an invite sent message appear on your screen, confirming that your invitation has been successfully dispatched. And there you have it, you've now successfully set up a 4-player chess game with your friends on chess.com. Make sure all your friends accept the invite so you can dive right into this engaging and challenging version of chess. Enjoy the game and may the best strategist win.